In this video, I will guide you how you can blur picture in MS Word. For this, you need to go to the insert and click on the picture and click on this device to select the picture from your computer. I have this picture, click insert. Make it resize. Now right click on the picture and go to the format picture and click on the effects icon. And here you will see that artistic effect. Click on this arrow and here is the blur effect. You need to click on that and here you can see that the picture is blurred. You can also increase the radius to your requirement. So if you want to make reset, then click on reset and then again go to the effect and click on the blur effect and increase the radius. So with this way, you can easily blur picture in MS Word. I hope you understand the procedure. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.